Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of Discord. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Discord and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.